Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix NatWest Bank app not working. So if your NatWest Bank app is not working, follow these simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So the first step is to update your application. All you have to do is go to Play Store, tap on Play Store application. Now look at the bottom and you can see two options over here, Games, Apps and Search. All you have to do is tap on the search option that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar which is at the top. Now type NatWest Bankline. Now here you can see several applications will pop up. All you have to do is tap on NatWest Bankline Mobile. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your app is not updated, you can see update option over here instead of the open option. All you have to do is tap on the update option and your app will be updated. So the next way is to clear the cache of your application. All you have to do is go to settings. Now scroll down, find the storage option and tap on the storage option. Now here you can see several options like apps, system, videos, images, games, etc. All you have to do is tap on the apps option. Find NatWest Bankline. After you find the app Bankline Mobile, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this interface. Here you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the clear cache option over here. After your cache is cleared, clear cache option will be disabled. So that is how you clear the cache. After you follow these steps, your Bankline mobile app will start working. If it still does not work, go to the Play Store again. Now here you can see uninstall option. All you have to do is tap on it. Tap on uninstall. Now after it is uninstalled, install the application again. Tap on install option. So after you uninstall the NatWest Bankline app and install it again, your app will start working. So that is how you fix NatWest Bank app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.